In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up your listing time with eBay AI descriptions using push-button generative descriptions. Selling on eBay can be a time-consuming process, but with the latest technology in AI-generated descriptions, you can streamline your listing process like never before. Let's get started. First, head over to eBay's website, and at the top, you'll notice a button labeled Sell. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to creating a new listing. Once you're on the selling page, you'll see the option to create listing. Click on that and this will set the framework for your new listing. Next, you'll need to enter your item title. For instance, if you're selling a pair of Nike Air Force 1 sneakers, your title might look something like Nike Air Force 1 White Size 10. Having a precise and clear title helps not only with searchability, but also sets the foundation for the AI to work its magic. The following step involves selecting a match for your item. eBay might suggest existing database entries that match your product. You can select one or opt to continue without a match if nothing fits. It's important to specify the condition of your item. Choose whether it's new, used, refurbished, or another relevant descriptor. This clarity will help potential buyers know exactly what to expect from your listing. Now it's time to upload your photos. Clear, high-quality images play a vital role in showcasing your item to potential buyers, so make sure they reflect your product accurately. Once you have your images uploaded, scroll down to the item description section. Here's where the cutting-edge technology comes into play. You'll notice a button labeled Use AI Description. Click it and let eBay's AI system take over this task for you. The AI will generate a comprehensive product description, tapping into details extracted from your title and uploaded images. If your item includes specifics like size, brand, color, and features, these may also be considered in the AI-generated text. At this point, review the AI-generated description. You can accept it as is, or if you want to add a personal touch, you can edit it further, adding more details or adjusting the tone to fit your style. Almost there, just a few more details are needed. Complete the sections related to pricing, shipping options, and other seller policies. These are crucial for providing transparency and setting buyer expectations. Finally, with everything set, the last step is to click List Item. Your item will now go live, making it available to millions of eBay users. And there you have it, a streamlined, efficient process for listing your items on eBay, leveraging the power of AI to save you time while creating effective product descriptions. We hope you find this tool as helpful as we do. Happy selling!